Hey there, welcome to my studio here in New York City. I'm Daniel Norton with Marissa. And today I'm going to show you a really quick kind of lighting concept. How you set up your lights. People always put lighting diagrams everywhere and this is how you light this, but there can be subtlety to your lighting. And I'm just going to kind of walk through that a little bit here. So I have effectively 3 lights here. I have a Profoto A1 in a small softbox. It's actually an extra small softbox, Shimira. And then I have 2 strip banks in the back. This is going to create a nice tight kind of beauty light on her face, and then it's going to create kind of a glamorous glow to her hair, right? That's what we expect. So let's take a look. Boom, nice and simple. You have to say boom when you take the picture like that, right? We've got this beautiful light on her face, right? Nice and crisp. We've got this like glow from behind. You could do like a dark background. You could light the background separately. You could do whatever you want, right? But this is kind of a nice kind of glamoury beauty shot. Now, if we want to make this more action, right? We can back her up a little bit closer to the strip banks, which that's going to do 2 things. It's going to make the hair light effectively also light her cheekbones, right? To do that kind of, action movie vibe. And then she's further away from this light, which is going to make it harder. So let's take a look at this. This is all in TTL. So there we go. She's like, bom, 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 bam, right?
Bam.
Now, in this case, we might want to, again, if we had a black background, we could really control it better, but this is just and we could watch the nose a little bit, maybe just come forward a smidge. Yeah, we just want to watch those. Let's have the modeling light on so I can kind of see. Bring your nose this way a little bit. Is that perfect? Okay, here we go. Now, if we didn't want the background to get so like light gray like this, well, I could move my front light closer, or I could, again, just use a dark background. But we can see how this is very like pretty glamour, right? Wonder Woman. Like first she's at the party, hanging out, eating, vegan tacos.
And then she's doing that.
What the heck? Oh my God. She's at the party eating vegan tacos, and then boom, there's a problem. Does Wonder Woman still spin around?
This one does.
Whoosh, boom, now she's a superstar. So there you go. How you place the lights, where you place them, can make a huge difference. And the exact same lighting setup can look completely different depending on how you do that. So be sure to follow Marissa. I will put her information in the description. Follow me here by subscribing and ringing the bell so you get all notifications. And I'll see you next time.